Welcome to the Mystic. This two-story single-family home has up to 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and a 1-car garage. This floor plan is by HHHunt Homes and is one of our best sellers and has a first-floor owner suite. Off the foyer, you have a bedroom that could be used as a guest suite. Perfect for an at-home office. You also have access to the garage and your large kitchen from the foyer. Your kitchen offers a ton of cabinets, lots of counter space, a convenient island with a sink, and a pantry. Your dining nook lets in a ton of natural light. Your ground floor owner suite offers a luxurious experience, including a large bathroom. Your open living space has plenty of room to entertain and opens to a covered porch and an optional patio. A wonderful place to relax and enjoy a glass of wine. Take the stairs to the second floor and you'll enter a large loft area that is great for a home office or game room. This loft can become an optional 4th bedroom. You will find an additional bathroom with a full bath and a large closet. Visit us at hhhunthomes.com because at HHHunt, it's how you live that matters.